So what I'm doing right now is making the universal Amazon fender fit on the shorty Onyx 80 volt. First thing I'm doing, I just went and test fitted. I'm probably gonna just zip tie right here through the middle around the base where it swivels. First thing I'm doing is dremeling. I got a little mini cutting wheel. I'm dremeling all of this flat. I might go behind it with a plastic welder and make it real flat because it fits just how it needs to right here. Like, you know, on these parts it fits. So I'm gonna dremel these little high spots down and then test fit it again, see if I need to dremel out these back too. I might use those as my zip tie points, and I probably could knock them down a little bit and still use them, but we gonna see. Let's do it. All right, so now I'm just grinding down tops of these. As you can see, just a little cheap Dremel, man. Get the job done. Might take a little while, but I'll get them flat. I got them cut already. Just want to show y'all what I'm doing. Get all of these flat real quick. Okay, so boom, that's the flatness I needed right there. Show you both of those. Yep, just wanted to get it flat so it'll fit. The bike is gonna fit right here, up under the above the wheel, and then I can zip tie from the back of here, make 2 holes right up here on the front, zip tie it tight, and then this should turn with the wheel and give me a little rain protection. The front fender, the cheap way. This came from Amazon. All right, so after test fitting, you're gonna wanna grind down the back ones too. It's easy to do it with 2 hands, but see if I can show you. You're gonna wanna grind down these as well. Just like I did that one. I'm gonna do this one. Basically all of them. Grind the whole thing, all those little buttons sticking up, grind them all down. All right, so you wanna get everything as flat as possible. And then I might end up cutting the mounting holes right back here. Try to get my thumb on it. Like right here and right here. And then the front too. Probably have to go like right here and here. Like I'm trying to get it as close to the middle as possible in the front, and then the back ones can go right here on the sides, in the corners. It's hard to do it with one hand, like right here. Almost right behind that corner. That's where it's gonna mount. It doesn't mount in these 2 holes. It's like right back here behind this corner, right back here behind this corner. And then in the front, we're gonna try to go like basically somewhere right up in here on these lines, so you can't see it when it mounts. All right, this is the Onyx 80 volt shorty, and I want to see if I can show you why I cut right there. You want to get it as flat as possible right there. So when you zip tie it, kind of have it mounted like that. Let's see if I can show you. So you can basically kind of adjust it, but you want it to sit enough above the tire, about right there. About right there. So that means you would have to mount your zip tie points maybe behind there. Let me show you what it looks like back there. So realistically, it'll have to sit probably about right there. And you may be able to still use those holes right there and grab it and mount it like that. So it's not I kind of wanted to sit enough above the tire, like about right there. So I'll show you how it looks when I'm done. Okay, so this is me shaving down the Amazon fender. I can't remember how much this fender was. Maybe 20 bucks or less. I don't know. But it was cheap enough for me to come home and hack it up. So now I may be able to get a zip tie or two back behind there and drill a hole somewhere right there. Put 2 black zip ties and just give myself a front fender that doesn't touch the back, and it at least gives me some type of protection on this shorty. And then I have to test it out and see if it hits or not when I'm driving. If so, like I said, it was so cheap, you know, I'm not really worried about it. But if I get it in here enough, you don't want it sitting down like that because it'll grab. So you got it angled up enough. I just got an email saying my back fender came, so I'm gonna go get that too. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it ends up looking once I zip tie it and mount it. Universal fender. You gotta make something work for these shorties. Okay, so we ready to drill the holes for the front too. I kind of marked them. I don't know if you can see if I can point to it on camera. Right there and right there. See if you can see those 2 holes I made with like a small screwdriver. Now I'm about to drill the holes right there, and those will be our mounting points for our zip ties. I'm gonna try to use these ones in the back, loop those around. They'll go around the bike right up in here, and then connect back here and go under. So let's see how good that works. Let's do it. Okay, so we drilled them out. All I got is clear zip ties right now. I kind of want to test fit it and just see. I can always drill more holes a little bit further up or something if I needed to. So let's just go test it and see. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. Only thing is I need longer zip ties, or I would have to put 2 together, which, I mean, zip ties don't cost a lot. I might just go ahead and waste 2 of them and just put it on. I'm gonna have to pull these off and put black ones on anyway, but let me see what it look like up under. So yeah, once you tighten that up, oh yeah, you tighten it up, it's gonna be way snugger than that. That's the only problem I was thinking about, is hopefully the tire don't burn through those zip ties. But you can always double up, triple up, kind of secure it. But the way it is, you're gonna go around the back, and then it's gonna snatch onto the front. You're gonna go inside of that little upper bracket right there. You wanna go, because the bike turns, so you wanna go, actually, let me see. Do I want to go outside or inside? This part of the light right here is what I'm thinking about. Because with a black zip tie, it ain't gonna matter, honestly. I can go on the outside of that, and that'll be perfect. Go on the outside, come back around, clip it right there. But with the clear zip ties, it had me think go on the inside. But with a longer zip tie and the black one, you good. But yeah, like I said, so that's how it would look on the front of the bike. You can kind of angle it up. I think that'll look good. It's a little small, but you don't want to, well, I didn't want to go like dirt bike size anyway. I mean, it's still a classy bike. So yeah, I'll show you how it looks once I get the black zip ties on. Just got this in too. About to go ahead and put the back fender on. Whoo, let's do it. Put the little fenders on today. Need to clean up my wiring in the back. I'm gonna clean that up though. Trying to look at the fender, see what it looked like.